Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working guys here on a Dodge Dart. So we'll show you guys which fuse to check if your sunroof, moonroof guys, whatever you call that, sunroof doesn't work guys. Some people call it sunroof, some people moonroof. But if it doesn't work guys, we'll explain which fuse to check and where it's located. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos guys. At least we do the same thing to that Dodge Dart. We actually even took the engine out and we made 100 videos on the engine alone guys, taking the whole engine apart and how to do things. So check it out guys, all that will be on our channels. Now if you guys need to buy tools, parts, anything like that, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. You can save quite a bit of money guys. Hopefully the information will be helpful. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. We do all that guys so we can save you as much money as we can. So if that sunroof doesn't work, let me show you okay what do we need to check now. You have 3 fuse boxes, 1 is under the hood and 2 are inside. The fuse guys for the sunroof guys, okay, for that sunroof is actually inside and it's not easy to get to. Now let me show you where the fuse boxes are located. We have a video how to access them, check it out, where the fuse boxes are located and how to access them. But you have one for the BCM module, this is the body control module there, okay, and you have one guys that is under the steering wheel, kind of like right there. You can kind of see the fuses. I pulled them out, but you don't have to remove the cover, you can just go underneath, okay, where the brake paddle is located, okay, like that, and that fuse box will be actually right there guys. Okay, I'm trying to focus here, give me a second. I don't know how, yep, right there. So that's where, okay, you can see that fuse box is located. So I got it loose so I can show you, but you don't have to get it loose, you can just replace the fuse there if you need to. Now let me situate the light so we can see things a little bit better. We'll have somebody hold the camera here, okay, I like that, perfect. And I'm going to go ahead, pull the fuse box up guys so I can show you where that fuse is located. So looking at the fuse box now, okay, this is it right there, the very top row guys, okay, this is the very top row. If you look at it guys, the very right fuse, okay, the very right one, the very first one from top to bottom, it's a 20 amp fuse guys. This is the fuse for the sunroof and moonroof guys. So go ahead, grab it with the fuse puller and replace it. Make sure you stay until the end. I'm going to share where to buy cheap fuses from, okay, this is the fuse, and where you can find the fuse kit for a really good price as well guys. So I'll go ahead, push the new one in, and make sure you stay with us until the end because we're going to test if it works after that. Perfect. Now this one is in guys. This is the fuse box that I'll recommend, okay, for replacing fuse replacements. You can see how many fuses you get, really good price, free fuse puller as well. So definitely guys, okay, definitely something that is worth the money in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and see if the sunroof now of that Dodge will work. So let's turn the ignition on. Yep. Now if I want to open it, perfect, you can see everything works as it should guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.